This is just a quick video for those of you who are thinking about buying a Creatbot. Here's some information that might be useful to you. I've had my Creatbot for about, I don't know, 2 or 3 months now, I think, and I still can't use it. It's a nice looking machine. Dual print heads and heat bed and filament out sensors, but it's been a big problem since day one. When I first got it, I just printed on with one nozzle, and it was doing okay. And then after a while I tried printing with 2 nozzles, and that's when the troubles began. There was continuous nozzle filament jams, and I contacted the company, and they tried to fix it by sending me different not G codes but firmware, and it took a long time before I figured out what was wrong. And the company was good about sending me parts, no charge, and DHL, which was good. But then I came into other problems, and I'm at the point now where Creatbot is not responding very quickly to my emails. And the biggest problem I found is that the head hits the frame, or it sounds like that, and makes a hell of a noise. And they just don't know how to fix it. They have no idea what's wrong. And dual printing never worked quite right. Now I do have the nozzles fixed, so it will extrude, but now I have a major problem, and that is one of the bearings have gone out on the y-axis, so it only has to move a little bit and the rod gets scored really badly. I've tried sanding it and starting over again, and lots of oil and all this stuff. The only response I got from the company was use oil, which is kind of immature, but that's all I've got from them. So at this point I've asked them to replace it. Actually, I've asked them to replace it several times. That's always quite ignored, and they just come up with some other thing. I've sent them many videos. I've been online with them, and I just can't get anywhere. I haven't been able to produce anything useful, and it's quite frustrating. I've now asked them again to replace it, and I would even pay maybe the freight just to make it more feasible, and there's no reply to that. So if you're thinking of buying one of these, I would say hold off. Looks like it could be a really good printer, but at the moment, no. So good luck.